An induction technology has been put to use in cooking since the early 1900s. However, it only gained mainstream consideration in America in the past few decades. Manufacturers are now working to produce more cost and energy efficient models, which are gaining popularity all over the world. Induction cooktops heat pots and pans directly instead of using an electric or gas heated element. It boils water up to 50% faster than gas or electric and maintains a consistent and precise temperature. The surface stays relatively cool, so spills, splatters, and occasional boil overs don't burn onto the cooktop, making cleanup quick and easy. How does induction cooking work? Induction cooking uses electric currents to directly heat pots and pans through magnetic induction. Instead of using thermal conduction, that is, a gas or electric element transferring heat from a burner to a pot or pan, induction heats the cooking vessel itself almost instantly. An electric current is passed through a coiled copper wire underneath the cooking surface, which creates a magnetic current throughout the cooking pan to produce heat. Because induction doesn't use a traditional outside heat source, only the element in use will become warm due to the heat transferred from the pan. Induction cooking is more efficient than traditional electric and gas cooking because little heat energy is lost. Like other traditional cooktops, the evenly heated pots and pans then heat the contents inside through conduction and convection. One of the secret measures that must be taken into consideration is that for induction to work, your cookware must be made of a magnetic metal, such as cast iron or some stainless steels. What are the advantages of cooking with induction? Upgrading to an induction appliance offers many benefits. In fact, there are plenty of advantages when comparing it to gas or electric ranges. Not only do Frigidaire ranges help you save on your energy bill, they also help you get meals faster to the dinner table and are easy to clean. Hair removal, also known as epilation or depilation, is the deliberate removal of body hair or head hair. Hair typically grows all over the human body and can vary in thickness and length across human populations. Hair can become more visible during and after puberty, and men tend to have thicker, more visible body hair than women. Both males and females have visible body hair on the head, eyebrows, eyelashes, armpits, genital area, arms, and legs. The word epilation comes from the Latin word pilus, which means hair. Unlike waxing and tweezering, epilation hair removal goes beyond the surface of the skin to the root of the hair follicle. Rather than stripping the skin of its nutrients along with the hair, the unfortunate result of methods such as waxing, epilation protects the skin cells by removing the hair at the root. Using the Satinel Advanced Wet and Dry Epilator, for example, hair up to 4 times shorter than that cut by wax is removed, making epilation both kinder to skin and more effective in the long term. So, how does epilation work exactly? An electric epilator works by pulling out hair using small discs to grip the follicle at its root. It is a handheld and battery-operated device, with modern models such as the Satinel Advanced being entirely cordless and therefore easier to use in or out of the bathtub or the shower. What is the best way to epilate? Before beginning, exfoliate the area you wish to epilate to remove dead skin cells and to ensure a thoroughly cleansed skin surfaces. This will decrease the risk of ingrown hairs, which is everyone's hair removal nightmare. A robotic vacuum cleaner, sometimes called a RoboVac or a Roomba as a generic trademark, is an autonomous robotic vacuum cleaner which has a limited vacuum floor cleaning system combined with sensors and robotic drives with programmable controllers and cleaning routines. Early designs included manual operation via remote control and a self-drive mode which allowed the machine to clean autonomously without human control. Some designs use spinning brushes to reach tight corners, and some include a number of cleaning features along with the vacuuming feature, which include mopping, UV, sterilization, etc. More recent models use artificial intelligence and deep learning for better mapping, object identification, and event-based cleaning. The dirt is usually collected by either a dust bag or a cyclone for later disposal. Marketing materials for robotic vacuums frequently cite low noise, ease of use, and autonomous cleaning as main advantages. The perception that these devices are set and forget solutions is widespread but not always correct. Robotic vacuums are usually smaller than traditional upright vacuums and weigh significantly less than even the lightest canister models. However, a downside to a robotic vacuum cleaner is that it takes an extended amount of time to vacuum an area due to its size. They are also relatively expensive, and replacement parts and batteries can contribute significantly to their operating cost. The iRobot Roomba is a compact computerized vacuum cleaner that automatically guides itself around your home. Like a conventional cleaner, it picks up dirt with spinning brushes and a vacuum. There's a side-mounted flailing brush that pushes dirt underneath the machine, and once there, two more counter-rotating brushes, that is turning in opposite directions, pick up the dirt and direct it toward the powerful vacuum, which sucks it away into a little storage bin. You surely should get one for yourself. The skin warmer device is used to heat up the body temperature to a considerable state during skin care therapeutic section. The radiant warmer is a body warming device to provide heat to the body. This device helps to maintain the body temperature of the person and limits the metabolism rate. Heat has a tendency to flow in a heat gradient direction, that is from high temperature to low temperature. It provides a therapeutic effect on the skin, inserting moist for it to soften and regenerate. The facial and body sculpting wand transmits acoustic sound waves below skin surface to firm and tone. The flat disc attachment treats larger areas and more coarse surfaces into redefined shape and temperature. Facial steamers are beneficial for your skin since they open pores, release trapped oil, and can help soften blackheads before extraction. The dermatologist Dr. Colin Blankner reaffirms this. Steamers hydrate the skin and can also help your skin better absorb products. The best dry steam cleaners help keep our homes sparkling by blitzing bacteria off all manner of floors and surfaces. Heat treatment requires nothing but tap water, meaning you can steer clear of harsh chemical cleaning products. Plus, they are ideal for disinfecting items that you can't launder or clean using regular detergents such as soft furnishings, upholsteries, and mattresses. The Good Housekeeping Institute has tested every sort of steam cleaner, from mops to handheld models. This is the top-rated steam cleaner for your home. The Karcher SC2 Upright Easy Fix Steam Mop. Tests have shown that with spot cleaning of 30 seconds at max, steam level and direct contact to the cleaning surface with the Karcher system cleaner, 99.9% of enveloped viruses such as coronavirus and influenza, that is including the hepatitis B virus, can be removed on common smooth household hard surfaces. When thoroughly cleaning with the Karcher steam cleaner, 99.9% of all common household bacteria will be killed on common smooth household hard surfaces, provided the cleaning speed of 30 cm per second is applied at max. The makeup equipment are as follows: safety valve, steam flow control, two-step adjustment depending on the type of flooring, hook and loop microfiber floor cloth, which is 1 pieces, the scaling cartridge, floor nozzle easy fix, and removable fresh water tank. For more content on new techs and gadgets, please click on the subsequent videos on the screen, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.